Hello students, welcome to this video. With this video, we will learn about the Roman numerals part 2. So, let us see what is Roman numeral. Roman numerals part 2. In this part 2, we will learn about the use of Roman numerals, Roman symbols. In part 1, we have learned about the symbols and the Roman numerals. With some examples, I have explained you in part 2 what are the symbols, what are the Roman symbols, and how the basic symbols will be used. It should be taught to you now. And with this rule 1, we will learn how to use the symbols. Rule 1. What rule 1 says? Repetition of a symbol. Repetition of a symbol. Do you know symbol in Roman numeral? In Roman numeral, the symbols are I, V, X, L, C, D, and M. These 7 symbols are the basic symbols in Roman numeral. So, repetition of a Roman symbol in Roman numeral means addition. What do you mean by repetition of a symbol in Roman numeral? If any symbol will be repeated, that means one by one, after one place, another place will be filled by that symbol. That means it is repeated. Suppose I, that means I is repeated. X is repeated. Okay. So, repetition of a symbol in Roman numeral means addition. That means they are added. Suppose I is repeated. I. That means I plus I. I is added with I. Can you understand? So, you should have to mean that repetition of a symbol in Roman numeral is addition. So, you can know the value. Okay? Thank you. Then, remember, other 3 rules should be remembered in this case. Not only this. Only you will have to mean it. Thereafter, which symbols should be repeated? Only I, X, C, and M. These 4 basic symbols can be repeated. Remember, only I, X, C, and M. These 4 basic Roman symbols can be repeated, not others. That means V, L, and D, they are never repeated. कभी भी ये तीनों रिपीट नहीं हो सकें. सिर्फ I, X, C, and M. These 4 can be repeated. These are 7 basic symbols. Out of 7 basic symbols, only 4 symbols. सिर्फ 4 बेसिक सिंबल इन रोमन न्यूमेरल वे रिपीट हो सकें. I, X, C, and M. Remember, I, X, C, and M. But V, L, D are never repeated. Never, कदाचित. Never का मतलब कदाचित. कदाचित वो रिपीट नहीं हो सके, बार बार नहीं आ सके. No symbol in Roman numerals can be repeated more than 3 times. क्या रिपीट करना है? हम रिपीट करते हैं तो ज़्यादातर रिपीट कर देंगे. नहीं. ओनली दे कैन बी रिपीटेड अप टू मैक्सिमम 3 प्लेसेस. मैक्सिमम, नॉट मोर देन 3. ओके. सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल, टू क्लियर योर आइडिया, I means 1, but I is repeated for 2 times, twice. Then 1 plus 1, 2. Thrice 1 plus 1 plus 1. I plus I. That means 1 plus 1 plus 1. That is equal to 3. But if I is repeated for 4 times, it is meaningless. There is no Roman numeral by repeating I 4 times, or X 4 times, or C 4 times, or M 4 times. So let us discuss about X, repetition of X. X equal to 10, you know it, its value is 10. When X is repeated for 2 times, then 10 plus 10, it will be 20. When x is repeated for 3 times, then 10 plus 10 plus 10 equal to 30. When x is repeated for 4 times, it is meaningless. You can't write x for 4 times, repeating x for 4 times. Okay? In third example, we will have to discuss about C. C equal to 100. Okay? Double C equal to 100 plus 100 equal to 200. Triple C equal to 100 plus 100 plus 100 equal to 300. But C can't be repeated for 4 times. It is, if it is repeated, then it is meaningless. No Roman numeral you can find by repeating C for 4 times. Similarly, M equal to 1000. M can be repeated. So M equal to 1000. But double M, M plus M, that means 1000 plus 1000, that is equal to 2000. And M is repeated for 3 times. So 1000 plus 1000 plus 1000, that is equal to 3000. But M can't be repeated for 4 times. If it is repeated, then it is meaningless. You can't write. Okay? So with these examples, we have discussed about the rule 1, repetition of a symbol in Roman numeral means addition, what you have found here. Okay? I hope you understood better. So, to test yourself, do all these 4 problems and it is HW for you. Okay? Thank you. Have a nice day. And before leaving this video, watch what is HW. Test yourself. Number 1, write following in Roman numerals. What are the numbers? These are the Hindu Arabic numbers: 1, 2, 3, 5, 10, 20, 30, 50, 100, 200, 300, 500, 1000, 2000, 3000. And number 2, which Roman symbols can be repeated? Number 3, which Roman symbols can't be repeated? Number 4, for how many maximum times can Roman numeral or can Roman symbol be repeated? Okay, you will have to answer these questions, and I hope you can answer these questions because all have been discussed. If you have followed the video perfectly, then it is easy to do. Okay, thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice day. Thank you. Bye bye.